Hello everyone, this is Eddy from AGM Mobile. Today I will be open up the box of the newly released AGM G1S. The G1S is a lighter device derived from the Glory Pro. It has the same camera system, the same screen and the same chipset. However, there are some sacrifices in order to make it lighter. It is the battery. We switched the cold resistant battery to the lighter and ordinary battery. We also replaced Glory Pro's world's loudest speaker to an enhanced stereo system. But the smart power amplifier function remains. When you see the box, the first thing you need to do is to peel off the plastic wrap. Once peeled, open the box. It is a quick start guide, a sticker and a warranty card. The warranty card tells you what to do when something goes wrong on your phone. The quick start guide tells you everything to set up your phone. You will see the latest AGM Glory G1S right now. Take it out. At the bottom, it's the wire and the chargers. The charger will be different according to your region. Put the box away. Let's talk about the real deal inside the box. The Glory G1S, a smartphone specialized in its camera system. On the top left corner, it is a 48 megapixel main camera. On the right, this is the 2 megapixel macro camera on the right. On the bottom right side is a 20 megapixel night vision camera, and the left is an LED flashlight. At the center, the biggest one, is the thermal imager. Algorithm is always the key to make mobile photos look better. 48 megapixel by itself makes clear picture, but without algorithm, it won't be better. The G1S has the same algorithm and processor as the Glory Pro. On my experience, I shoot great pictures on Glory Pro, so I will expect the same from Glory G1S. It is also got the same night vision camera, 20 megapixel. On G1S, the texture and colors on the object will be clear, replicated in black and white. Most importantly, the Glory G1S has the thermal imaging camera. This is probably the best mobile thermal imaging you can find because it has the highest resolution and frame rate among all mobile thermal imager. The resolution and the frame rate will largely affect the measuring accuracy and experience. If you want to know more about the frame rate, resolution or experience applications, please keep an eye on behind AGM. The G1S carries Qualcomm Snapdragon 480, and Snapdragon 480 is based on Snapdragon 780, but advanced in signals and processing speed. It means the Glory G1S is 5G that allows you to transfer your photos and other professional information quickly. It is IP68, IP69K and American military standard 810H. It survives at least 30 minutes under 1.5 meters of water, safely tackles drop from 1.5 meters, and blocks 99% of sands. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you next time.
AGM. Find your glory.